Okay, we can check this one sample. It's the paper box. The paper box, we can let the page and page connect together because we use double side tape. Double side tape, the price is not expensive. Many people, they not use the glue system anymore. For example, fruit carton box, paper carton box, practice bag also can use the big version produced come out. The hot melt glue and the cold glue also can install. This is our advantage. We can special order the machine come out. And after the product put on here, we'll automatically go to the working area, start working. This one is burger box machine. Can make the French fry box, hamburger box, lunch box, McDonald's burger box, lots of different box. We can use burger box machine to produce come out. This one is hot melt glue gun. Okay, so we will use the keep raw materials. Make sure when the hot glue come out, the temperature is same like the touch screen. This is the hot melt glue version.